Let's see how to create a vendor. Click the Add button. Enter vendor name. If it's customer, enter vendor code assigned by them. Click on Active to activate, otherwise, it will not be accessible. Enter printing name. If it's different than vendor name above. Cases like cash transaction, we generally don't create vendor master. But if we want to record name, address and GST detail, then activate is unknown. Now, add vendor address. Please note, all information is not mandatory. If you don't have it, then leave blank. Click on Add Toolbar button to add empty row. Enter select cell information as follows, select address type. For example, office, factory. Enter address. Enter or select city name. Enter address PIN code. Enter state code. For example, for Maharashtra it's 27. Enter or select state name. Enter or select country name. Enter contact number. Enter mail address. Enter website address. Make sure it's active, otherwise it will not accessible. Enter registration information. Enter enterprise type from registration. Enter PAN card information. Enter GST registration details. Select PO typed information, it is for identifying in-state versus out-state. To add another address, repeat the same process. Vendor contact details. Please note, other than person name, other information is not mandatory. If you don't have it, then leave blank. Click on Add Toolbar button to add empty row. Enter person name. Enter department. Enter designation. Enter phone number. Enter mobile number. It will be used for WhatsApp. Enter email address. Make sure it's active, otherwise it will not accessible. To add another, repeat the same process. Configuring account information. Select account group. Select inventory account group. Or leave it blank. Select vendor currency. Select payment term, like net 30. So due date will be 30 days from transaction date. If vendor is paying on particular date in month, then enter that date. For example, if vendor is paying on 15th of each month, then it will be 15. Enter or select the business type like B2B, B2C. If activate account, it can be only used for accounting transactions. Select tax formula. It will be default and can be changed in transaction. Select number of copies need to print. For example, original, duplicate, triplicate. If activate PO must, then you must have PO to receipt the material. If activate last rate, system will apply last vendor rate for that part. If activate last quantity, system will apply last vendor quantity for that part. Click the Save button to confirm vendor master creation. If all information is valid, the system will save and create vendor master. It's designed for simplicity, no special skills needed. With Valletto V2, anyone can manage vendors effortlessly. Isn't everything just great? Reach out to us at brs.softwaretech@outlook.com or visit our website to explore more. Whether you're curious, ready to get started, or just want to chat, we're here to help. We'd love to hear from you.